Hello there. Hi, I'm Jonathan. I'm the programmer for 210Y. Some of you may know me as the guy with the stinky foot avatar on Discord. And others may know me as that weird Asian kid in the back of the class that does robotics. And you'd be right. Either way, I got a problem that I gotta confess. You see, when I'm not tearing out my hair trying to figure out how to program odometry,
why is my x-coordinate 81 billion?
I like to play Riot's new 5v5 multiplayer FPS shooter, Valorant. Unfortunately for me, Valorant is actually out of beta and is gonna launch in a few weeks. Now my days just consist of sitting around and waiting, and waiting, and waiting.
Why are we still here?
Waiting for Valorant's release date on June 2nd. In other words, it's sheer unproductiveness. You ever think to yourself, man, I wish I could wake up earlier so I could do more productive things in my life? I'm glad you asked, because I made a robot that drowns people. Introducing the new ultimate instant wake-up machine. The idea is pretty simple. There's really only two steps. You see, the first step is to set the time that you want to wake up at. Preferably something really early in the morning, like the ungodly hour of 11 a.m. Once that's set up, the robot starts to count down to the time. And once it reaches the time, it tells the motor to go boom blam plow, and it sends enough water to wake up a 500-pound obese African rhino. Patent pending. Actually, you don't need this. You don't need this stuff. You don't need this stuff. There's really only two steps. There's really only one step. Just wake up. And this is it. This is the contraption that's gonna tell you when the robot is gonna drown you in water. It's pretty simple. You see, it's all started with this Arduino Uno board I got for $10 on like Amazon or something. And it's pretty simple. You see that the wire goes to the other wire, and then this wire is in the board that's to the screen, and then there's I really don't know what I'm doing here. I added this cool LCD screen, and then if you plug it in,
What is 5 volts? I want 5 volts. Wait, this isn't the 5 volt one. How is it still working? Do I just plug it in?
No. Yeah, screw it. I'm just gonna test it. I'm just gonna figure it out. That's what I do.
Oh, just look at that.
Now it lights up, and it you can see the time that it counts down. It's supposed to be countdown. You can see the time that it counts down before you actually get, doused in water and into the splash zone of freaking Atlantis. That made no sense. Alright, so yeah, it's a glorified alarm clock, is what it is. It looks like a bomb. But that's not it. That's not it, because there's another part of the system. You need a way to run the motor. But don't worry, I got you covered on that one too, because this is just another Arduino that's hooked up to a motor controller that's hooked up to a 5 volt stepper motor that kind of spins really, really slowly. And you can see how it spins. It's like, oh my. Alright, so what I think our main problem is probably gonna be is to be connecting this square spinny thing on the motor to an actual system that will turn the water. So I take one of these Vex gears, right? And then you know how they have these insert things that go into the motor and it actually catches on and spins. So what I was thinking, I was that maybe if I modify this insert to the shape of the square, I should be able to stick this thing in, get it caught on there, and then spin this gear. Okay, so I've been able to successfully mount the motor onto the gear. Don't ask me how I did it. And now all that's left to do is to create a system connected to this good old gear
and make it power a water. So I made a container for the water. Now before you say anything, let me just explain what I did. I just attached a high-strength axle onto a plastic Spider-Man cup that I found in my basement. The high-strength axle is for connecting the gear onto it so it can actually power it and move it around. I can hear you ask, Jonathan, why is it so small? No, just shut up, okay? Because, dude, this is almost 1 liter of water. And you don't understand how much 1 liter actually is until you're experienced drowning by it. Or something like that. It's a lot of water.
But Jonathan, what's the point of building a robot to wake you up if there's a thing called an alarm clock? Or you just get someone else to wake you up? Because this is fun. Okay?
Also, getting people to wake me up requires talking to people, which I don't do that. I can't do that. I don't. It's just okay, whatever. It's been 10 hours. But we finally got it.
This is the final product. You see, once we turn on the switch, we got a good old timer right here counting down from the 2 minutes that I've set. It counts down until the water drops. Once this timer is reached, it initiates this stepper motor to move this 2 to 147 gear ratio to move this bucket of water and tilt it over. Why 2 to 147? Well, it's because this motor is weak. It's really weak. It's really weak. For purposes of our demonstration, I'll add just a little bit. Oh! Where's the water? I rest my case. Oh, shoot.
Alright, so now everything is set up and ready for real life demonstration. I'm actually really excited to see what happens because I imagine it's gonna be something like the scene from Inception. Like the guy just gets absolutely dunked in water. It's like a tsunami. But like, I don't know, who knows? We'll try it out. Everything's set up, all that's left is to just fill it up with water. Hopefully it doesn't collapse. How far should we push it? All the way. It's leaning.
Alright, that's cool. I'll pull with that. That's cool. We're cool. It's all for science anyway. Oh my.
Well, it's not bad though. It's pretty comfortable. It's not. Yeah, I mean like, it's nice and hot. It's relaxing. Yeah, I could see myself going to sleep with this above me.
I think the motor's too weak.
Alright, so first attempt, we learned a few things, but honestly, that wasn't that bad. Okay, so this stupid motor is too weak and it can't even move. Like, the slightest bit of friction will stop it from moving. And like, this video is already long enough and I don't want to drone you guys for any longer. So maybe if I order a thing on Amazon and wait like 2 months for it to ship, I'll probably try this again. But yeah, I just